Hey guys, it's Asha. Today I am going to be doing a video all about 2018 fashion trends, but of course, disclaimer, I feel like I have to put this disclaimer on this video and any other videos that I do like this. You guys do not have to follow fashion trends, it's only if you want to. I sometimes follow fashion trends because I think it's really fun, but I'll adapt it in my own way, or I just wear things that I want to wear. I'm actually going to do a separate video styling up these trends for you guys, well, some of them, the ones that I like. So once I've uploaded that video, I will link it up in the cards here for you guys. And also, I would love to know in the comments for today's comment topic, what are some other trends that you guys have noticed? I've only got 10 in this video. I'm probably definitely going to miss out on some of them, so I would love to know some of the trends you guys have spotted. Leave them in the comments down below, and let's get started with the video. So number 10, I'm going to start off with one that I'm actually wearing at the moment to get it out of the way, and that is bandanas. Although this keeps like falling on my face and it's slightly annoying me. Bandanas, oh my god. Some girls look so cute in these, but I just can't get it to look cute. Maybe I'll put it on the side like that. Does that look better? It's not working, guys. I'm just gonna have to sit really still. Besides the fact that I can't get this to look cute on my head, I have actually been really loving this trend, and the one I'm wearing at the moment is from Princess Polly. It's super cute. It has these little stars all over it, and it's silk, so it's really nice and soft on your hair, because when you're putting stuff like bandanas or headbands and stuff in your hair, you want to be really careful that the fabric isn't going to rip and tear your hair. So I really like that this one is silk because it's nice and gentle on my hair. I think these are so cute for summer to style with a cute little like linen dress or something, so I've been loving that trend. Trend number 9 is straw hats, and the trend after this is actually another straw trend. These are two of the, I don't know why I said four, two of the biggest kind of straw trends that I've noticed. The first one is big brimmed straw hats. I think that, again, they look so cute for summer. A lot of these trends are summer based because I'm in Australia at the moment, but of course if you guys are overseas where it's winter right now, you can style these up to be more winter appropriate. I think these hats look absolutely stunning if you wear them with a really cute little summer dress to the beach. You could even take these little bandanas and kind of wrap it around the brim of the hat. So that is the second trend, straw hats. Trend number 8 is straw bags, and I have one right here to show you guys. It's got money in it, sorry. I recently got one of my friends to pick this up from Bali from me because they're super affordable in Bali. I think they cost about $20 compared to in Australia, where sometimes you can be paying up to $120 for the exact same thing, which is ridiculous. So if you guys are heading over to Bali anytime soon, or you have any friends going over, ask them to pick you up a straw bag because, again, they're a really cute little summer trend, and yeah, I love this one. The next trend is slides, and I actually was not sure about this trend for a really long time. I didn't like it, wasn't really my thing. I'm definitely more of like a regular kind of sandals gal, but I went to this Princess Polly event a couple of weeks back, and they gifted us a pair of slides. These are the ones that I got. I think they're from Bellini. The name's rubbed off now though because I've been wearing them so much, and I completely understand the trend now. They are just so easy to wear, to just slip on and go down to the shops instead of wearing thongs if you want to look a little bit more stylish. They look really cute with jeans, dresses, literally everything. The next trend I do not have to show you guys because I actually don't have a pair, but it is old school Vans, and I really want to get a pair. We have them on ASOS, so I think I'm gonna buy some in the new year as a little present to myself, especially the high top ones, like the black and white high top ones, and they're really cool because both guys and girls can wear them. Well, both guys and girls can wear anything, but they're a really unisex product. Next up we have cargo pants, and this is one that I don't have, and to be honest that I'm not really a massive fan of. I just don't really think that they would suit my body shape. Each to their own. If you guys want to wear cargo pants, I think they look amazing on some people, but I just personally don't feel like I could pull them off that well, especially I Am Gia. I Am Gia is a brand that has blown up in the past year. I think they launched in like May 2017, so it's really crazy. They've been picked up by so many celebrities, and not that it matters, but I just think it's really cool that a brand has gotten so much hype and built themselves up to be such a huge brand so quickly. And one of their best selling products is their cargo pants. So they're like high-waisted and they puff out, and I've definitely noticed because of them coming out with those pants, a lot of other brands are coming out with these cargo pants. But yeah, personally, will not be rocking this trend. I mean, maybe. I'm not gonna say I'm not going to, because who knows, in a few months maybe I will. Next up we have 90s sunglasses, especially ones like this. So if you guys can see, they're very cat eye and just, I think these are really, really cute. Ooh. And really flattering on a lot of face shapes. These ones are from ASOS. ASOS is really good if you guys want some trending sunglasses, because I think these cost me about $25. They're really nice quality, super trendy, but of course if you guys are wanting to kind of take part in a short-term trend, you may not want to invest a ton of money into a pair of really expensive sunglasses. So I definitely recommend ASOS for trendy sunglasses. I have so many cat eye sunnies now and I absolutely love them. Next up we have berets, and I actually don't have a beret because this is kind of a similar one to the cargo pants. I'm not really sure about it. I was really not liking it, and now I'm kind of starting to like it, and I feel like once it starts getting a little bit cooler, hopefully not for a few months because it's only coming into summer now, but once it starts getting a little bit cooler, who knows, maybe it's something that I'll start loving. But it's definitely something I've noticed on Instagram a lot, on fashion runways, on a lot of celebrities. Everyone is rocking the beret. So this one would be perfect for you guys who are in the northern hemisphere, who are in the middle of winter. I do think they look really cute, like with a little like red beret with a scarf and big jumper. Now I'm missing the cold weather, which is not usually like me. The next trend we have is linen. I've been seeing linen everywhere, especially in dresses, and I absolutely love this trend. I think, again, it is super, super summery. So this is my little white linen dress. I picked this up from Princess Polly as well, and I think it's super cute. But I've also seen this trend in like wrap skirts or wrap dresses, or in different colors, not just white, but I've definitely noticed white linen especially as a big trend at the moment. And then the final trend is wrap skirts. I absolutely love this trend. Also wrap dresses, not just skirts, but I have two wrap skirts to show you guys here. You might have seen me wear these in Instagram posts before, or on my YouTube channel in lookbooks, or you might have even seen me haul these a few months back. I absolutely love the wrap skirt trend because it makes it really easy for you to fit it to your waist. I don't know if any of you guys have the same problem as me, but I have really big hips and a smaller waist to my hips. So when I wear jeans or really tight fitting, like tailored pieces of clothing, often it's really, really loose around my waist. So wrap skirts are amazing for if you have that kind of body shape, or if you have any kind of body shape, because you're going to be able to tighten them around your waist as much as possible, and they're just going to fit really well. And I find these super flattering and really, really versatile to wear with absolutely everything. And I picked mine up from Glassons. They have some amazing wrap skirts. Again, I have mine in black and green, but they've got some really cute like stripy ones and different colors and stuff. So definitely recommend Glassons for wrap skirts and wrap dresses. So that was the final trend. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to see more videos like this from me in the future, because I'm sure there'll be more fashion trends that are up and coming in the next couple of months, then please do let me know, and I can definitely do those for you guys on a regular basis. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know if there are any other trends that you guys have spotted, and then maybe I can feature those in a future video or something. I don't really know, just putting ideas out there. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!